Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let's dive right into today's tutorial on using Notion to plan your side hustle for 2025. Now, the first step in this process is to create a new page in Notion. This will be your dedicated workspace for planning and managing your side hustle. Consider it as your command center, where you'll organize all your ideas, tasks, and goals. The reason we do this is to have a centralized place where all our side hustle-related content lives. Next up, add tables to your page. These tables will serve as databases where you can keep track of everything from your business ideas to your daily tasks. This helps us because it allows us to visualize our progress, stay organized, and manage our time effectively. Now that we've done that, let's populate the tables with your information. Don't worry about getting everything perfect the first time. The beauty of Notion is that it's easy to tweak and customize as your side hustle evolves. This step is critical as it helps you flesh out your ideas, set your priorities, and make your plans tangible. Next, let's add a calendar view to your page. This will help you plan your time and stick to your schedule. The reason we do this is to have a clear visual of our deadlines and important dates, which can help maintain momentum and avoid procrastination. Now let me explain why this matters. Balancing a side hustle along with your other commitments can be challenging. But with effective planning and organization, you can manage your tasks efficiently and prevent burnout. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you use Notion to plan your side hustle, you're setting clear goals, staying organized, and keeping track of your progress, all of which increases your chances of success. In conclusion, Notion is a powerful tool that can help you plan and manage your side hustle effectively. Remember to continuously update and tweak your Notion workspace as your side hustle grows and evolves. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for joining us, and best of luck with your side hustle planning for 2025.